Yeah.
So check this out. We're here at Knapps. And the fog is fucking whipping through. And I was told by our new friends on the trail that it's raining under the oak tree. But only under the oak tree. Check it out. I've never seen anything quite this cool before. Wow. It is in fact raining. Do you hear that?
Only right there.
Look, it's raining just right here. Holy shit, this is so cool. How is that possible? This is way fucking cool. Here, let's stand in the rain. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really raining. That is so cool. Look, it's even raining over here where it's not under the tree. Well, it must just be condensing on the tree and then it falls as rain. Wow, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Ooh, burr. Burr. So here we are. I have to be quiet because people are being meditative and quiet, and I'm loud, boisterous, and obnoxious. But this is Knapps Castle.
Look, that chick was driving.
I told you. That bitch doesn't know how to drive. She's really slow. Here, I'll show you. Oh, I know them. Yeah, I do.
Tailgated them the whole way up here.
I tailgated the whole way up here. And they were bastards about me.
Offer them some water.
No, look, it's raining under this little one. This is the fucking coolest shit I've ever seen. I'm standing in the rain. Wow. Can you see that?